I want to quickly talk about running your Kali Linux distro as root. So you should only ever log in as root if you're doing an administrative function. So if you're doing admin tasks, security testing is an admin task. So if you are security testing, it's okay to log in as root. If you're doing anything else, you need to be logged in as a normal user. We advocate within cybersecurity the concept of running with least privilege, so you need to practice that yourself. So if you're browsing the web or you're doing your admin, you need to make sure you're logging whichever operating system you're using in as a normal user. However, let's look at why we do either use sudo, switch user do, or why we log in as root when we are security testing. So one of the tools we use is a network mapping tool called nmap, and we're going to do an nmap against a subnet, a range of machines, and we're going to do an SN, which is I call it a ping sweep, but SN's very clever. It does some ICMP, it does some ARP scanning, and it can do some TCP scanning. But enough of that for now. Let's look at why we log in as root or use sudo to escalate our privileges when we're using pen testing tools or security testing tools. So at the moment, I'm logged in as a normal user. I'm going to use my nmap without the sudo, and we're just going to look across the network using a ping sweep to find what machines are on this subnet. So we run this script, and it says there are 8 hosts up. Okay, pretty good. It's found a load of machines on this network. Everything looks okay. But if I do the same command, but this time I sudo, so uh, elevate the privileges, this time when it scans the machines, it finds an extra machine. So now it's got the rights to scan all the machines. There's a particular scenario where some Windows machines don't get picked up if you are scanning without sudo. Again, if we move from my low-level user up to my normal user and nmap, again, it should find our 9 hosts. When we're security testing, we need to find all machines, we need to find all services in order to evaluate them, enumerate them, and see if there's any vulnerabilities. For all your training needs, pop on over to the Cyber Scheme website and have a look at what we've got available.